Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to update Play Store on Realme C67 device. Updating the Play Store application ensures that users have access to the latest features and improvements introduced by Google. These updates may include enhancement to the user interface, new browsing and search capabilities. Okay, and then how to do that in this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open please Google Play Store application on your device. Okay, and then please click profile icon at the top right corner. After that, you can click settings. And then here you can click about option. Okay, after that, you can select the update Play Store option. And then because I have been updated it on my device, and then here will appear the following statement. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to update Play Store on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.